Welcome to SIRIM Technical Library. Since 1975, we strive to provide the best library membership scheme to assist Malaysian industries, government agencies, associations, academic institutions, and professional experts to get information access on standards, technical documents, and other scientific publications. The library niche collection are Malaysian standards, international standards, foreign standards, and association standards. Annually, we serve about 15,000 standards and technical documents to our customers. The SIRIM Library membership privilege are unlimited reference service to standard and technical document collections, standard and technical document loan privilege, standard update service. Sign up now as SIRIM Library members to get the privilege. Please contact SIRIM Technical Library at 03-5544-6102 or email to library@sirim.my. Thank you.